Hi everybody, Dave here. Today we are taking a look at these Zodiac USB-C charging cables from Enerzoom. Now this is the influencer edition that they did send out to me, but I'm going to be showing you guys because they have these individual for every sign of the Zodiac and they are really nice. So let me give you a closer look and tell you more about them. And here they are, the Enerzoom USB-C to USB-C fast charging cables. Now these cables are 3.3 feet 3 inches long. They're nylon braided cables so that they stay tangle free. They're rated at 50,000 bends. Just really nice high quality cables. They each have a strap around them with a nice little button there that you can hook them back up to. And they have one for each sign of the Zodiac, as you see. Really nice cables. I want to thank Enerzoom for sending these out to me. And here's my sign, the Scorpio. And you have the Scorpio on this side, and then you have the star, planet star sign back here. All hand painted, beautifully done. Nice fast charging cables.